The latest situation of the train accident is like this. So far, around 900 passengers have been injured and are being treated in various hospitals in Baleswar, Mayurbhanj, Bhadrak, Jajpur and Cuttack districts, including in the two medical colleges of Cuttack and Baleswar. And so far we have got reports of 233 deaths, 233 dead bodies have been recovered, and the search and rescue operation is still going on. One buggy which has been very severely damaged and has been rammed into by another buggy. That only buggy is left. NDRF, Odisha Disaster Response Force and Fire Service personnel are still working with their machineries to cut the buggy and try to recover the living or the deads. This operation is getting little difficult in the sense it has been so badly damaged that possibly railway crane might also be required. The railway board chairman is there in the site. NDRF commandant as well as the district magistrate, all of them are trying to see how quickly they can complete this task. Regarding treatment in government as well as private hospitals are extended to all the injured people. In the meanwhile, autopsies have started in different places, and those bodies which are identified and their kith and kin are there, they are producing their identity and also are receiving the bodies. All efforts are made to complete the autopsies early, and whichever bodies will be able to be identified, they will be either handed over to their kith or kin or will be transported to the respective destinations. The bodies which will not, if can't be identified, then necessary statutory procedures will be followed for that autopsy and further action.
आराम से